Hi there, my name is Monis Ali, and on behalf of the complete team behind Ecom Summit, I would like to congratulate you for taking this massive action. Trust me when I say this case study is going to blow your mind. In this video, I am going to show you the exact strategy which I used to make 5k USD, in fact, more than 5k USD in past 1 week. So guys, before starting this video, I would recommend you to stop doing whatever you're doing right now because I will be needing your complete attention because this video is the game changer. This strategy is going to blow your mind. And before starting this video, I would recommend you to maybe switch off your phones. If you're using Facebook, just log out and give your 100% attention to this video. And if you're not able to understand the complete strategy in a single go, you can watch this video over and over again till the time you're not able to understand this thing completely because this is really important. So first things first, let me show you my last 7 days earnings. So let me jump to my Shopify store. So this is my Shopify store and it's around 3:30 a.m. here in India and today is September 2nd. So let me show you my past 7 days earnings. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind. So let's go from Saturday, that is 26th of August. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. From 26th of August to September 1st. And boom, as you can see, I have made more than $6,000 in past 7 days. I'm pretty sure you're excited now and you want to learn how I did this. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you each and everything which I used, all the strategies which I've used to generate this amount. So let me quickly jump to my Facebook ad panel. So now I am into my ad account. As you can see, I am running 4 ad campaigns right now using the same strategy which I'm going to teach you. So this particular campaign has made me more than $5,000. Other one again has made me more than $1,000 and so on. But this is not the actual amount. Facebook doesn't include the upsells. Facebook doesn't include the extra items. So this is not 100% accurate. The amount of sales which I have got are way more than this. So now I'm going to share each and every step of this strategy which I used to make more than $5,000 in 1 week. So the first thing which you need to do is you need to create a new campaign with conversions as your objective. So let me quickly show you how I did that. So now I'm going to walk you through each and every step which I did to achieve this kind of results. So now I'm going to break down this strategy in small steps and show you exactly what I did in order to achieve these results. So step number 1, you need to hit the button which says create campaign. Now here you need to choose conversions as your objective. So let's hit conversion and let's give this the name test campaign. Hit continue. Alright, so now I want you to choose add to basket as your objective. So now why am I choosing add to baskets and not purchases? Well, I have noticed that every time I use add to baskets, the campaign really performs better than any other campaign. So every time whenever I am testing any product, This is what I use. I use add to basket because Facebook itself says that they need at least 15 to 25 conversions in a week if we want Facebook to optimize our campaign to its full potential. So I'm going to choose add to basket as my objective over here because getting add to basket or add to cart is way more easier than getting a purchase, and we need at least 15 to 25 conversions. So now we are going to choose add to basket for this particular campaign. So in my previous videos I have shown you few methods of targeting your audience, so I'm not going to show that to you again. So you can use any of the targeting method whichever works for you. I personally choose precise audience whenever I'm going to test any campaign because precise audience contains the most active, most passionate audience, and getting conversions with that audience is way more easier for me. But every campaign, every product, every ad account is different, so you can test whatever works for you. So now when it comes to budget, I am going to give this a budget of $20 because you need to give Facebook enough budget so that they can test, so that they can get some data and test your ad, because you need to give more and more data to Facebook. So $20 is my testing budget. I would recommend $20, but if you're running low budget then you can also go for $5, but I would definitely recommend $20 because this is what I did. I used $20. So you need to go for $20 and then you need to choose one day after clicking because we are looking for instant conversions. So we are going to choose one day after clicking because we want that our audience or our customers should watch our ad, they need to click on the link, and we want them to purchase the item in a single go. So let me recheck it again. Add to basket. Placements as always, mobile only. We always start with mobile only, then and once we are having enough conversions we can test other things, but for now we are just going to choose Facebook's mobile news feed. And yes, $20 budget is right. One day after clicking, and I'm going to hit continue. So far we have created a campaign with conversions as our objective, and I wanted Facebook to optimize for add to basket, so I choose add to basket. I gave them the budget of $20 and I went for one day conversion because I wanted instant conversions. I basically use video ads because they convert well. You can also test images, but I personally used video ads in the campaigns which I ran last week. So I would definitely recommend running a video ad. Now we need to look for the clicks. Now let me just show you my ad campaign. So this is one of my successful ad campaign. As you can see, the amount spent is around 800 and I was able to make around $2,700. My relevance score was 9. But something which is really important is link clicks. So you need to keep an eye on these link clicks and the CPC, which is cost per click. The cost per click should be under $1. So for me, the cost per click was around 0.58. So this is really good. So the cost per click should be under $1. So this is my actual ad campaign which I used, and as you can see I was getting enough link clicks, good number of add to baskets. My objective was add to basket and I was able to get good number of add to basket, and eventually I was able to get good number of purchases. What I normally do is I test around 5 to 10 products in order to find my winner quickly. So once you have allowed this ad to run for 24 hours, you need to look for the CPC and it should be under $1. Now you need to check whether you have got some purchases or not. So if you haven't got even a single purchase, then it's simple. You need to kill the ad. This is the reason why I test at least 5 to 10 products in a single go, because then the product which is getting me good number of sales, I actually scale it, and the product which is not getting me sales, I simply kill it. As there is this famous ecom quote, you should never fall in love with your product. So it's pretty simple. If after 24 hours you didn't get even a single purchase, you simply need to kill the ad. And now, if you get some purchases, at least one or two conversions, then you need to let this ad run for at least 3 days. After 3 days, you need to add $10 budget to your campaign. So make it $30. Now you need to let it run for another 3 days. So now after 3 more days, if you are able to get good number of conversions, then it's time to scale it. So now instead of adding $10, you can add $20 to your budget. So your final budget will be around $50. And this is how I scaled this particular ad set. I kept on adding 10 to $20 every 2 to 3 days in this particular ad set. So far, like I said, you need to test at least 5 to 10 products, and you need to keep an eye on your cost per click. Now, once you're getting good number of purchases and you're able to scale it from $20 to 30 and 50 and so on. So now if you are having around 50 to 75 purchases or 100 to 150 add to basket, it's time to scale. So what I did was I quickly created lookalike audiences. So what I did was I created lookalike audience for US, 1% lookalike for US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and UK. So these are my top 5 countries, and they converted really well for me. So once I was able to get good number of purchases and add to carts, what I did was I made two different audiences. One of them was having the one of them was having the lookalike audience for purchases, and the other one was having the lookalike audience for add to cart. The add to cart one was not that profitable for me, but the audience which I made using the purchase was really profitable, and the results are in front of you. So what I simply did was I created 5 different lookalike audiences for 5 different countries, and that was just 1% audience. Just follow the same strategy of scaling, increase the budget slowly and gradually after every 2 to 3 days if the campaign is profitable, and you can continue this strategy till the time it's making money for you. Now, if you want to scale even more, you can try 2%, 3%, 4 and up to 5%. All you need to do is you need to keep an eye on the link clicks and the purchases. So guys, this is the strategy which actually made me 5k in past 1 week. So yes, it really works. It's working for me. As you can see my own results, I am able to generate more than $5,000 in 7 days. So if you apply this particular strategy the way I just showed you, I am pretty sure it's going to be really profitable for you. So I hope you like this video, and you can watch this video over and over again till the time you're not able to get each and every point, each and every step which I took to hit this figure of 5k in 1 week. So I really hope you don't just watch this video, but you also implement this strategy and make tons and tons of dollars. So this is it from my side, and I'll see you soon.